YouTube. So today I'm just making a little video to show you guys this live res I got. It's got like these little crystal things in it. If you guys know what those little like crystal looking things are called, can you comment and let me know? Because I'm stupid, I don't really know. But yeah, Mr. Nice Guy Extracts, I don't know, but Grow Bros is their handle, so you can probably find them on Instagram. But yeah, can somebody let me know what those little crystals are? I'd appreciate that. Yeah. But yeah, if y'all could subscribe to my channel, that'd be awesome. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs so I can start getting some money. Alright. Thanks for checking out my videos. Later.